Hey everybody, Chip Collins, Collins Group Realty here, coming to you with a Sunday update here on April 26th, and I hope you are doing great. Here in the Beaufort County area, we've got just over 250 positive cases of coronavirus. That's up about 50 or so from this time last week, and we've been obviously paying close attention to what the governor's had to say. He did make an announcement this week that all South Carolina schools K through 12 are going to be closed, unfortunately, through the end of the school year. But they did open up certain retail operations, and we're starting to see some of that flexibility come back into the marketplace. Also, just we're experiencing some beautiful weather here. So with the waterways opened up, we're seeing a lot of boating activity here this weekend in particular, and also a fair amount of activity on the beaches as well. So people are out getting and enjoying the weather and doing the best that they can from that perspective. Real estate activity is actually up too. It's interesting, if you take a look at this graph from our showing time vendor, it documents how we're now seeing the bottom and now a new uptick of really in-person activity. This is documenting where people are setting up appointments to show property. So it's just indicating that agents and buyers and sellers are all getting more comfortable and confident in the new procedures associated with that process, which is encouraging and in kind. Therefore, if you take a look at what's been happening here in terms of market activity, we've definitely hit a bottom in terms of new under contract properties week by week. We're still seeing a slowdown in the number of new listings that are coming on the market, and we're still also seeing a steady flow of certain number of properties that are coming off the market. So what's happening there is there's just a tight inventory at this time, just not nearly as much inventory as you would expect this time of year to choose from. And so real serious buyers are finding that they've got to jump on opportunities just as soon as they hit the marketplace, which we're seeing quite a bit of. If you're interested in learning more about what's specifically happening in the market from a buyer perspective, every Tuesday at 1:30 we're doing our webinar, and then the same content, but from a seller perspective, is happening on Wednesdays at 1:30. So if you're interested from that perspective in buying, you're thinking about selling, we'd love to have you join us on those webinars, again, taking place every week. That's collinsgrouprealty.com/workshop. The other thing we're really excited about offering this week as we sharpen the sword inside our organization, for the first time, we're bringing out a very comprehensive and really something I'm very, very proud of is our relocation guide. You can find that at collinsgrouprealty.com/relocation. And whether you are coming at us from afar or you live here locally in the Lowcountry already, I promise you this robust resource has got something for everybody inside it. So please take some time, take a look through it. I think that you'll find it to be a really, really helpful resource. As always, and on behalf of everybody at Collins Group Realty, we certainly appreciate you, your time, your interest in our updates, and we certainly hope you stay safe today.